everyone, welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to work with knot cylinders block 2 from the sensorial area. This exercise helps to develop the perception of dimension, eye-hand coordination skills, and fine motor skills. Let's watch the presentation. Grayson, today I'm going to show you how to work with the knot cylinders. Watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!